What's up, guys? Hey, my name's Adam Taylor. I'm a real estate agent with EXP Realty in Baltimore, Maryland. Look, I wanted to come to you real quick and just share my experience working with Angel for my social media ads and now with some video work. Angel and I have been working together since probably early 2018, and I didn't know what to expect. He came referred to me from a good friend of mine, and immediately upon engaging with Angel, we connected really well. Communication was fantastic, and more importantly, the quality of work and the performance far exceeded my expectations. Basically what he did, he said, "Hey, Adam, look, what do you want? What are you trying to capture? What do you want to do?" And not only did he come up with a great strategy, we got results from it. So if you're on the fence thinking about it, don't. Look, you got to pull your wallet out. You got to invest in yourself and get the help with this. He's a pro. Let him do the hard work and the heavy lifting. And right now I'm trusting him with some video work that I've got going on here too. And the stuff looks amazing. So if I can help with anything else, reach out to me directly if you have additional questions. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.